of all, Caire is really excited to partner with AMSR in relation to promoting the Freestyle Comfort POC to your consumers, to your patients. There's some really nice, unique features in relation to this portable concentrator versus other portable concentrators on the marketplace here that will really help set the bar in terms of how you're supplying oxygen therapy to your patients. First and foremost, it is the only ergonomically designed portable concentrator on the marketplace here. As you can see, there's a curved concave feature here. And the purpose of this is so that as a wearable device, this is designed to be a wearable portable concentrator, it's designed to adhere and hug the hip or hug the back in a backpack so that from an ergonomics perspective, it won't sway and it'll really hug the body so that, again, it'll have nice comfort features, as you're wearing this device. So really, first and foremost, the ergonomics is really important on this device. The second feature that we really feel from an innovation perspective sets this portable concentrator apart is really the clinical aspect. The way that we deliver oxygen using technologies like UltraSense, where it's designed to deliver oxygen, a bolus of oxygen in the first third of the breath, as well as the way it delivers oxygen in the cases where the patient is ambulating, they're walking, they start breathing through their mouth. The goal is to have a POC designed to provide oxygen therapy as that patient requires. The third aspect that we're really proud of is really the quality. This unit is designed with some innovation in terms of making sure that we're doing our best to provide a quality product that won't fail as that patient needs supplemental oxygen. Some of the design features allow this to be warranted for 3 years in relation to some of the key components that you may find are often replaced more frequently with other portable concentrators on the marketplace here. From a feature perspective, again, with the quality and the components that we have designed in this unit, again, it's designed to last and it's designed to be a true wearable device as that patient requires oxygen therapy in the market. So the Freestyle Comfort was designed really for every patient in mind, really from early stage COPD or patients that are in respiratory distress to patients that have more advanced stages here. So it's designed, again, to handle really the entire gamut with some of the clinical features that we've built into the unit, like UltraSense, which I've just spoken about, with other clinical features like auto dose, which allows this unit, if the patient quits triggering the device, to automatically start delivering oxygen as required by that patient. Those are features that allow us to handle more advanced stages of respiratory illnesses to ensure that patient's going to have good quality of life while they're using these portable devices. Yeah, so the Freestyle Comfort comes designed with firmware called UltraSense. And essentially, as a patient is breathing, normally that respiration or that inhalation and exhalation lasts for about 3 seconds as you breathe in and breathe out. UltraSense allows us to ensure that we're going to deliver that bolus of oxygen really in that first third of the breath. And what's important about that is as you're walking, as you're ambulating, as you're using these portable devices, you want to make sure that the unit stays calibrated with the way you're breathing. Because if it's giving you oxygen while you're breathing out, then obviously you're not going to be absorbing oxygen, which is going to tax your body. You're going to have to sit down. You're going to have to rest and bring your heart rate down and your respiration rate down. UltraSense allows us to calibrate, again, the breath rate so that you can stay ambulating and really have peace of mind that the unit's going to perform as you need it. There's a great feature called test mode that is part of the firmware. The test mode allows you to go into a mode to do one of 3 things. One is if the unit is alarming, to be able to see what those alarms are and the history of alarms. The second feature is to be able to understand how many battery cycles that the battery has been charged and recharged. All batteries, for the most part, for all POCs, will last about 300 full cycles, which means 100% down to 0. And then back to 100% again. That would be 1 full cycle. Most patients will use batteries by taking them from 100% maybe down to 80%, and then they recharge it, that would only be 1/5 of a cycle. Okay, and similar to your cellular phones or your iPhones, the battery won't just stop working after 300 cycles. It will actually just start to slowly degrade like your cell phone batteries. So test mode will allow you to go in and see with the patient how many cycles they have on their batteries, which gives you a great reason to upsell them for new batteries and make sure, again, you understand what the battery performance is. And then the last piece for test mode is to understand how many hours are actually on the device. So you can go in and from a service perspective, see, again, how many hours the patient's used it. So those are the three really features. To put it in test mode, you have an up and a down arrow key here. So to put it in test mode, all I do is press the up key twice. So up, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. So again, up, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. And that will put it into test mode. You'll be able to see on the display the three graphics I just mentioned. And then to get it out of test mode, all you do is turn the unit off and then turn it back on again, and it resets it right back to the clinical mode so the patient can use it. The great thing about the Freestyle Comfort is it takes very minimal maintenance or care by the actual patient here. There's two gross particle filters, one on the left and one on the right. They're very similar to the filters you have on the dryer, in your laundry room here. To clean the gross particle filters, you just want to use a little bit of soapy dishwater, wash them out, and then dry them because it is an intake filter, and then you just put it right back onto the unit again. We recommend that the patient clean these about every 2 weeks if it's in pretty frequent use, or if they see some visible signs of dust or cat hair or things again that look like it's impeding the flow of the actual filters. The only other care item that the patient may want to do is by using some mild detergent, wipe down the unit, keep it clean. They can use a Q-tip if they want to with some of the crevices, but for the most part, just a nice damp cloth and just wipe down the unit. And then lastly, the carry bags we have are machine washable, so you can actually put these in the washing machine and clean these as needed. There's a variety of accessory options that come standard with the Freestyle Comfort. The first is a standard AC power adapter, so you can charge the unit up at home. The second option would be a DC charger, which allows you to both operate as well as charge the unit while you're in your car, in your vehicle. With that, we have two different battery accessory items. The first is a 16-cell battery, which will allow you to operate the unit for 8 hours at a setting of 2. And the second battery is a smaller 8-cell battery, which will allow you to operate the unit for 4 hours at a setting of 2. And with that, you can also purchase an optional desktop charger. This desktop charger will allow you to charge up remote batteries either outside of your home or in your home while you're using the unit. The other options we have here are the unit comes standard with a shoulder strap carry bag. So the unit will come standard with this bag right here. We have a very nice backpack that we've designed. Most backpacks on the market are pretty bulky and large. We've designed this so similar to our shoulder strap carry bag here, pretty much the same size and width, but it allows you to carry this on your back for, again, better mobility and ambulation when needed.